This was given to me by the seller for my consideration. Now I need a new screen protector for my new Samsung S26 Ultra. And this looked real simple to apply, so I'm gonna try it out. It came with everything you need and the instructions you're going to want to follow. And you get 2 extra screen protectors if you screw it up, but I don't know how you're going to do that. It's pretty easy. You just set the phone on the non-slip base. You put this device over your phone and just follow the instructions, which basically is press it down and then pull this little tab out. And then secure it further. You can see how it is attaching to the screen. So once you remove this little device, voila, look at that, almost perfect. I just had a couple of bubbles I had to smooth out, and it was perfect. Now they do give you instructions on how to fix any issues with the thumbprint or fingerprint feature on your phone. I needed to go back into my phone and reset all of my prints that had been stored, because with the screen protector, you need to redo them.